Ipitokan bulu mikiran na mata kini bakatan bising ni kuah.
Iyo.
Nonta ouch palangi show.
Tutu ko na wherever you are, tutu
Iya.
ko na panjo tako na kasimi na koro blanto.
Iya.
Wherever you are, I are.
Wow.
Ako na kayo ko chicken, usa chicken talaga kita.
Wana na.
Baru tadi bikin ni sar suk mara video Facebook page and mataka bina ni ko Nix mati wai imbulan raka baru sar suk mo isa sabu na mataka dai baru ni na ko tani mara matao.
Iyo.
And kaya nandigi tagi chura video FM na mataka ni ko.
Well, good morning to each and everyone this morning.
Tiko.
It's a Thursday morning.
Yeah.
It's a 14th of November and it's a Thursday of 2024.
Okay.
It's 7:35 coming and we can see the cloud is very
Right.
disadvantage this morning.
Don't know.
And you can see one guava tree on the right of us right now.
Okay.
He's
What is
swimming,
the guava tree
dancing,
saying?
the windy is windy.
Okay. Melly Netherlands, we saying good morning to all of us and blessed Thursday. Melly Netherlands, all the way from
Australia.
Australia.
Ano benak turang night.
Right.
Baka kini ba Meli naligar bi garab tempat kata no bisa. Tapos benak baka libu na bugun non daw moto begitu.
Mel teman.
And
Iyo.
buku ni non daw nona sanga metalan ron sigura traffic eh.
Right.
Erbi mata kata sara sing wala bi Meli kerto no muskwad.
Hindi na Sara.
And buku ni bi karabi ni taban ni traffic na tempat kata no bisa. And baka tabi sing ni kuah.
We say good morning to Sunny Boy and the Nasesebas
Cage.
collective.
Right.
To the best o sa tuntung mo yo bentari.
Right.
Hi o na turang ang bete di basten.
Oh, okay.
Boleh bela boy Sunny Boy.
Iya.
Kapag bibitar tunga verandini o bentari.
Right.
Ina boleh usar. Thank you very
Hi.
much for the joining this morning.
Nakakama ba?
And good morning to Amelia Ulubanga.
Hey,
Oi.
good morning. Good
And the
morning.
family to our tabali too from Wainbuka. They are joining now.
Right.
Thank you very much, Adi, for the well wishes this morning and together. And I would like to take this time to say good morning to the Jamaica.
Okay, si Jamaica.
Leoni koro mai Jamaica mai nabosa. This
Right.
is Nukuilau.
Right.
Nukuilau noi koro nabosa.
Okay.
To Tamai Indisala.
Boleh mana ka?
Bagatawa, anggo bagatawa.
Iya.
Nabunda family. Abiuto family. Bagambimbi be chone ngulirabu ngo tabali dito.
Boleh mana ka?
Tabale John ngulirabu. Orang na betinani. Rosa na sing nilesuyan.
Wow. Why?
Ke mengat kuning abe betabale o ke baru tu minggu menukilau.
Right.
Please come forward.
Right.
Come forward.
Ito banggaray.
Iyo. Sana sini le sura na betinani.
Right.
Tabale o ke muni muni sa na si Romay. Meraw na.
Oh my coach Rowen.
Iyo.
Iyo. Kaya kasi nga.
Kasi lalong man tama men dobi ko na sim-sim.
Udah babalang buat osis sumumay.
Calm down.
Iyo.
And
Host downstairs.
And
Kung
host.
osis sumumay.
You come with the host. Tabale. No. You host you. You host you. Bukidi ko mose. And sini ko. And all the family of the Nukuilau from Jamaica. In what is Tukeria?
Yeah.
They follow each other. They coming from the.
Follow ya?
Nabinto money.
Pero no may muri sa bumay, pero wala may sinatakar may matakar.
Yeah.
Sa
Alright.
on to Ortoiliw, baka merto sa butayan ni Ortoiliw. When we dedicate the song to the first one.
Yeah, to the front one.
The back one, they call the first one. Hey!
Yeah.
Call!
As to
We want to
again.
dedicate to from the valley of the Singatoka.
Right.
Thank you very much to Tabale John Gulirabo and the family.
Right.
To Tatay and Nene, Mboko
Yeah.
and the family. Thank you very much
Iyo.
this morning.
Ben Serurab, tuning all the way from Australia.
Iyo.
Tay, yan rabinak kami na malimsar na siya mamaya na matagin ni Kua.
Iyo.
And a big mbula binak to Sarasay ni Marama, all the
Iyo.
best
Iyo.
for your paper. Best wishes from all the family.
Year 12.
Year 12.
Right.
SN Selina Nailevu.
Yeah.
Parang bangun let's go na baka ni binaka. And matagin ko. And also
Yeah.
to Liza Sukanadeva, year 12 of Penang High School.
Hands together.
She'll be having a paper, biology paper,
Oh.
this afternoon from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m.
That's my favorite subject.
Eh?
Biology.
Then why you can be like the doctor or the nurse,
Yeah.
I can doctor.
right?
Biology is a very good person.
What? Yes, tuning away, tuning all the way from Vatokolo Primary School.
Oh, yeah.
Na walim sar na semamay and mataka vinaka
To all the year 12, thank
Yeah.
you very much for joining this
The
morning.
passenger.
Come.
The passenger of the Maidon.
Yeah.
Ngole daga chikin Vatokolo, ngone buli ni Toko Primary School,
Yandra.
Vatokolo Primary and Covenant Primary, Nielsen College. Então yan ramen naka Joe Rokobesu. Pangulit siguro baka nini naka naman taga ni Kuwa.
To Momo Aquila Bangaji joining from Besi this morning.
Right.
Good morning to you. And also one nasi si Bas.
Yeah.
Coming like from Balelebu side.
Yeah.
They joining with FM this morning.
Yeah,
We good morning to you,
Oi.
passengers.
Right.
And also to the driver.
Right.
Thank you very much for being a good driver.
Yeah.
For being a good passengers. For being a good neighbor.
Appropriate.
For being a good bus.
Right.
Thank you.
And all those tuning in live, the live video, Moses Newtown from Wellington, New South Wales.
Yeah.
And Ramanaka Nathan Naisoro, and Ramanaka Samsar Nandi Blow and Semisi, my Wabu Kau Ingilandi,
Oi.
Nagachugang wana Pamabiika Michi, Sanjena.
Toka.
Bayan Taltungan go be Penny Nangata, one of them may nabatu Mimba.
LT2746 sabi abolewan na po be turang na tobata.
Right.
And also to Tamay Saki
Yeah.
from Bisoto Lobonyo Balao and the family
Dono.
joining this morning.
Okay, I'd like to ask them one question.
My.
Do you like fishing?
I like fishing.
You know the fish in the sea?
Yes, I
A
saw.
few, eh?
Few.
Okay. Can you give us the 6 most tastiest fish you've ever
Because
tasted?
we don't need fish.
Iya.
Masal
Pero
verang-
sini kanay ka batali chukura bitang bugi mga bunwa.
Ya, kima na Fijian
Yeah.
Itu okay.
Okay.
Kima michigan mo
Okay.
bitang
Tukul man mo into the top of the list, top of the range saranga naika.
Iya.
Kuya naika kana binatundo balatani pakararto na ground fish.
Suk.
Na mas chicken na kaukawa. Eh?
Oyau, nanuguray.
Iya. Mai. Mai, kinto mo.
Like the sea from Asgang in Wainunu.
Iya.
Mbua
Yeah.
is every fish is a tastiest fish.
Okay, give us the
And
top.
Not only one, all the sea in the world.
Give us the top 5.
Because we know
Iya.
some of the sea the fish there na karakan indui.
Iya,
Wato
iya.
tu na
Different
waitui. So na puno en ran-ranu.
Iya.
Ran-ranu na kenaika.
English, some
Some of them they are dramatic.
Yeah. Okay,
Right,
please
so
just
now-
give us the top 5. Your top 5.
From Asgang,
Mai,
even though it's small,
Tunggu na naman ang top 5. Kino simple ka the small set.
kake,
Ah?
kake.
Kake.
Myself,
Iya.
my number ek
Iya.
is a soki-soki.
Right, Soki. Right, second one.
Soki-soki.
Iya.
Walu,
Walu. Right.
sanga.
Saga.
Right.
And then we came in Ikalo,
Okay,
Sintaro,
hold. Soki. Soki rini kachina ika na to na resiwa.
I haven't fished that one.
Okay,
but
how
I
do you
used to speak.
how do you fish
Kilibat.
the soki? Please
Please
explain.
Kami Kilibat taka.
Yeah, please explain how you fish the soki.
The soki-soki,
Yeah.
when you see the soki-soki,
Yeah.
he is a very patient fish.
Mokota, ito mokota.
Mokota may mabuwa. Inside the intestine ko nakakana. Inside the coral,
Right.
you have to be careful. If you shoot them,
Yeah.
sa panay relomani ka mo bota tol tagir sa may tuma. If no,
Yeah.
they will be
Big.
pregnant. And abu demay.
Oi.
Right.
Iyo. If no,
Like the sum.
iyo sumusumu tu.
Yeah.
They are family together.
Right.
Iko mapananga mo kotol may tuma kasi nga nawo siloma.
Yeah.
Kaya manibata mo nung buka tono kala baka mabuti ko nga.
Right.
Oi.
Iyo. You have to be careful too.
Yeah.
Because when you spear soki-soki,
Yeah.
remember, you are close to where the vai is.
Right.
So na puno baka puno lolombutu.
Why? What's the reason? The Miss Kirker, please.
Why are the
Explain to
wife
us.
wala ka to the soki-soki?
Yeah.
No, because the place where they live,
Oi.
because some of them they live in the cow,
mate.
in the cor.
They mate.
It's up to you, Michael. You know.
No, you know, because I don't know the fish, eh? Because
Did
they're
you-
close.
Because the soki-soki is a different family.
Oh, okay.
The vai is a different family.
Right.
Kaya baka kami sa bangor Michael, enak tagin na soki-soki. May rambo.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
How's ya?
Iya.
Okay, the kake.
The kake.
How do you fish the kake?
Now, that one is you saliva your bait.
All right.
Kasi mitra no mumbada,
Yeah.
ngay biri.
The fishing, the
Which
the
bait?
hook,
Which
the
bait?
biggest one.
No, the small one. This is the size 8, the
Okay.
size 6, the fishing line. Eh?
Yeah.
Right.
And you use the small fish.
Yeah.
Because if you use the big one,
Yeah.
Right.
doesn't fit their mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You
All right.
use the right hook
Yeah.
so that can they eat the thing.
Oh, okay.
Nartiloma.
And the bait, which bait is the best one?
Okay, the bait
Yeah.
is we got different, eh?
Yeah.
Some of us we use the modi.
You're right.
Yeah, the modi.
Yeah.
Some of us we use the I don't know, like a scorpion.
Okay.
Yeah.
I forgot the name.
Moko.
Na mokongori na bakaran beruru.
Moko sa sini duri wasa-wasa sa sini lutundro menadaba number sini siwa.
Iya.
Sa tau chicken del no wasa-wasa chicken moko. Okay, alright then. Okay.
Number 3.
Usi baka sa matatong ko na tanim batang ko.
Vinga.
Vinga ko rin na.
Unga.
Oh, like the scorpion, eh?
Iya, like a scorpion, yun
Alright.
kasi.
Iya.
Na isa, kaya maro tumingko tamay salom, yung tatong.
Iya.
May mbule po, nakila bilang ko to ko.
Batin basanga.
Batin basanga ko rin na. Durmite ko.
Endo tumongo. Hanarenga nakakini wenudu. Eta naya tumbui.
Yeah. Okay. She knows it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Hanarenga.
Okay, third one.
Ha?
Third one.
Number 3.
Nama diri.
Iya.
Kita nabata si.
Saya fish.
Kita ko to isa taste one.
Iya.
Oi, okay.
Kung kuminang nalewena.
Iya.
Korang becini korong, korang becini korong.
Kung batiri ko na kosa-kosa.
Sige, walu.
Amaniwa.
Walu.
Iya, walu to the eight.
Iya.
The 8
Taste.
Please tell us the noni bakarau
Iyo.
how the walu behave.
Alright.
Ngono sa kaniki na bacin siwa.
Oh,
Nah,
this
Baba.
one is a very dangerous one. Before when we fishing,
Iya.
nawalu,
Iya.
kana no job ka tunongo.
Iya.
Nawongo, sometime when you fish some fish,
Iya.
when we reach you,
Iya.
it's half. So nangono simbiri ato maybe ko sabi mama era katia tali.
Right.
You know it's a walu. O the
It's a walu chawongo because the sapet teeth.
Not
Iya.
nakita giono.
No. If you see them go, they come close to the boat.
Yeah.
Ngona walunga na ongo, bali to ira ndo bangi tortal nga na wanisiwa.
Right.
Sometime-
Kau baru berkacumukila.
Yeah, sometime when we fishing like this.
Iya.
So ngayon
I have to
ko
feel the one siwa.
iyo si filtang na wanisiwa, kaya kintalong kailan may sa tabu ko to na wanisiwa.
Right.
Iya.
They come and chew the wanisiwa.
Why?
Katiyan na mama, ito bang kitoro, si matata mala chire, ito bula bila na bubale pa ongo. Why you do this?
Okay, how about the sambutu?
Iyo.
How do they behave? How do they attack
Iya.
the mbata?
Una sambu tendo ika binakatubi unisiwata.
Okay,
Iya,
why?
endo ya lumulutu. Sini ba- Unlike some of the sea, some of the fish, erando kachia bango eranga indre merandre.
Iya.
Ko ni ngai lokami bango baka malumutu ngami balenga sa o ya do membatini moto.
Oi!
Sama solusini ko tu kami.
Yes, they give himself to us to be taken to the whole life of the second.
Sina.
Yeah.
Eu sange kila pagondongo na bi matangali. Tatalai ka chigo yasawasa.
Yeah.
Because you are familiar with the sea and the
Yeah.
fish in
Tomuto.
the sea.
Na kuni ba der ando
Sana,
la
sana. How do you fish?
Niko na tukini waswasa.
Tabatale. Na ikaloa.
Ikalo ebe yo.
Yeah.
Na tama na bikimindo.
Ikaloa talaga.
Ikaloa.
Ina ikalo for me is at least 1 2.
Right.
Kwento kana kana binaka.
Right.
Iya.
He is kwento matanggali kan do tan talenga.
Right.
Some of us is like a when you're
Right.
fishing,
Yeah.
Because whenever you catch them,
Yeah.
when they see the hole,
Iya.
they enter. Erno darama ng
What
gara.
hole?
Nanonranggaran ni nanramale.
Oi.
So nanguna li tao tu quando va muno tu na tao.
Right.
Iyo.
Yeah, right.
Iyo nang ikaw ni suru talaga. Na moto.
Na moto e duru ke makai ko raida.
Iya.
Because sometimes when you see the northern hemisphere come,
Yeah.
nadang ibuli ko.
Yeah.
Please, close to the mangrove. Close to the mangrove.
Okay, last question. Out of all the fish in the ocean,
right.
in the sea,
Yeah.
another ko katri kita undua, baka me ko ikabuku,
Right.
ikan kasi.
Smart.
Maybe the fish or asasalu
Yeah.
siya dava do kasi saranga.
Go to sana bitanggo na buro-buro ni siwa to sana lang demengo nan dandala ko na buno lolombo.
Right, anything. Yeah.
Na Rua,
Yeah.
Matai, good morning to Arkalas
Yeah.
from and also to Zambua,
Yeah.
Kumbulau,
Yeah.
and the people that E12
Right.
joining from London now. Here is Arkalas Kawake the Kauni Tambua.
Bolo
Yeah.
belaka.
We name it the river.
Oi, the river.
The river.
Oi. Kami off.
Senga na river, na so na puno na na bode.
Iyo, na boy.
De ko ba wakana.
Right.
Right.
Iyo.
Ko smart.
They is very smart.
Yeah.
We used to jep them.
Yeah.
Oi.
Tamba ka batalo mani nuku selo mani bonololom gendeta.
Iyo.
Some of us
Yeah.
na uluna nga datara nambui na
Ali tu.
yalitu.
Oi.
And another thing is the betuna.
Oi, betul.
Betuna do tuna puno nuku na puno do tu ne kena puno mix tu kena patakena da kauna nuku.
Yeah.
Ego na rida binaka we know
Yeah.
So na puno because when they in the sea.
Yeah.
Santo bango, sayan ran din na riba.
Yeah.
You can see the difference between, if you know, if you are familiar, you can see the difference between the ice of the river and the ice where the other organism live in the sea. Iyo. Era totoo but you can know.
Usah ramen.
Iyo.
Easy to know.
If you hungry,
Ito ba suka laki mata?
Iya, dito walito.
Iyo.
walito-lito ko rin untara.
Iyo.
Iya. You catch them.
Iyo.
Tomo kira lo manyuway.
Kuno bu eti.
Iya.
Na ikan kasing-kasing ako mo stugur.
Na ika pa kay Leo. Etal no suka ningo.
To say. Yeah, that's a kind of fish I can remember. But some they are familiar. So sarara kilabina na ito ikora kilabina kana.
But you can't eat the basua in the sea.
Waswa in the sea metota baya o.
Sini tagiraw na to.
So bututunaw wala ko pusinyuwa. Binabala mo punches nakita ko rin this morning.
Right.
Thank you very much. Tamay
The
look at
Mexican eat the basua in the sea and also can eat the yate ni sumu-sumu in the sea.
Ate ni sumusumu me osya sana. Binabala mo.
Sakali. Na boleh sa retalo no. Sa totoo din ako timain.
Doon na ka.
And yo, sa coach ko retalo no. Bombo nga retalo ngo ni kiruna sinro ni mga taga na ika kedango.
Kero sa
Di ko na tabwe.
Sa tunga kero sa narot kero tunga na
Roro.
row
Iya.
dal.
Iya.
Kero wani na kami ko kero wani na kami ko no kanay ka chu.
Iya, di resar.
Iyo, wambolo tsika ni etar ko suka.
Na biya mambauti atu. O ko Mikael senga.
Ika kanay na ka doon doon dani ba dems. To wala man
Iyan,
dani da sar.
Nakusima tunggo. Nakusima tunggo kay maning grade C si grade D ndo na ikasaka na binaka. Iyo.
Si mani slice.
Sema ni sila isela ba. Ndendre kami metukin na ika.
Pokoknya di mana kana guru beto kana mata kuah satu tala na mata di mataka gay like tak tuyani.
Boleh na ka Maryland sa ni sogwe.
Siya tak tuyani na video ngo don no muhate na mata ko ngo kuru mundu.
Umika ngalo mula.
Tande.